Yes, we'll wait for some time. Already one session is finished. The second session, those who were not there, I think so they will join here. Hi Sanjay. So let them come. We'll wait for 5 more minutes, 5 to 10 more minutes. This is not a long session. This is not a 1 hour session. This will be hardly 40-45 minute session. So we'll wait for 5 more minutes. मीर आ गया तू वापस. Good. Let them come. Hello guys. Hello guys. Good. Hi. Hi. So new people are joining in here. Welcome to TT. TT's live session. Oh, you are still out. That's okay. Never mind. Don't worry. So welcome guys. Still notification hasn't gone to these people, other people who were live. I've seen some people who were live on TT's Insta, but still they have not seen the notification. Give me 5 more minutes, guys. Yeah, it's change. I'm talking about change. Everything is change. Platform has changed. प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 की गाड़ी दो नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गई. सो इट्स चेंज. ओके, एक लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है. ओके. हाँ. Yes. And we shouldn't resist it. We shouldn't resist the change. Can you guys hear me? Just show some thumb or something. I've done some different arrangement for my mic. Can you hear me? संजय, हम लोग का बंद हो गया ये. ओके. हम लोग का ट्रैवलिंग बंद हो गया संजय. Yes. Okay, we'll wait. I hope you have some time, because people have already attended one session on Facebook Live. So I'm not going to declare any China war or anything here. So that change is not going to happen. Yes, Ramane, welcome here as well. So this is a change which we are looking forward to it. Okay, these people are not still here who were asking me, अरे क्या change करने वाला है, क्या पका रहा है तू, क्या change करने वाला है. Those people are still not here. So it's going to be changed. Some things are going to be changed. Yes. New people have joined in. Welcome to TT. We'll wait for 5 more minutes, please. सब लोग का WFH चल रहा है संडे भी. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome. This session is not for हाँ राजेश. रमणी मैंने चेंज किया. चेंज चाहिए था ना. और लास्ट टीजर था उसमें मैं बेर वेस्ट अप था. सो चेंज कर लिया. दो टी शर्ट अभी ये कर लिए. So change has to be from me. Then everything is going to change. So I've changed my t-shirt as well. Yeah, please come, please come. Okay, most of them knows what's the change I'm talking about. Yeah, वर्क फॉर होम कुछ भी बोल सकता है तू. वर्क फ्रॉम होम इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. नेटवर्क नहीं मिल रहा है. नहीं सर, मेरा फ़ोन हैंग हो रहा है, मेरा लैपटॉप हैंग हो रहा है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. रीजंस है रे WFH के लिए, वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए. सर मेरा इंटरनेट काट दिया इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर ने, मैं अभी क्या करूँ, ऑफिस तो नहीं आ सकता. दो आई डोंट वर्क बट स्टिल आई नो द एक्सक्यूजेस जो मैं भी देता था कभी कभी. सो एक्सक्यूजेस बहुत है. और हम लोग तो एडवर्टाइजिंग वाले, एक्सक्यूजेस की दुकान है हम लोग के पास. ये झाड़ू पोछा. ओके गाइस, शुड वी स्टार्ट? Most of you have attended the Facebook live session. That's why I'm waiting for some new people to join. That's the reason I'm holding my horses for 5-10 more minutes. है अभी तक 5 ही मिनट हुआ है लाइव सेशन चालू करके, और 1 घंटा तो जाने वाला नहीं है. हाँ शिफा, यू आर नॉट देयर फॉर द एवरी लाइफ. ओके गाइस, जिनको मालूम नहीं है क्या चेंज है, क्या ये कर रहा है, ये पका रहा है लास्ट 4 दिन से, पका रहा है इंस्टा पे फेसबुक पे, चेंज चेंज चेंज. क्या चेंज होने वाला है? यस यू आर न्यू. क्या चेंज होने वाला है? दैट्स अ टीज़र कैंपेन जो हम लोग के एडवर्टाइजिंग में ब्लड में ही है. पहले हम लोग टीज़र से चालू करते हैं, कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं तो भी पकाते हैं लोगों को, और देन पकाते और फिर लास्ट मोमेंट पे लेके आते एक चेंज. सो हम लोग की आदत ही है. सो नया उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. सो हम लोग मैंने पकाया, थोड़ा पकाया, राजा ने भी सोचा थोड़ा पकाया जाए. कुछ हम लोग कुछ अलग से करते हैं. नॉट काइंड ऑफ इमीडिएटली टू इन्फॉर्म यू व्हाट इज चेंज. नो, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सर्टन टाइम. हम लोग थोड़ा पेशेंस देखते हैं आप लोग का. द थिंग इज दैट इन माउंटेन वी रिक्वायर पेशेंस एंड वी चेक योर पेशेंस एज वेल. सो हम लोग इसके लिए पका रहे, हम लोग थोड़ा पका रहे थे पहले. अभी नाउ इट्स टाइम टू चेंज. व्हाट इज चेंज ना, टाइम टू रिवील. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी गिव यू अ बैकग्राउंड, a little bit of background. What is Taimulang Trekkers, and when did it start? And there are a lot of questions in mind because people knows Taimulang Trekker है. बहुत दिन से, मैं बहुत साल से ट्रेक कर रहा हूँ उनके साथ. क्या तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर है किसको कुछ नहीं पता, क्या क्यों नाम रखा था. पीपल नो, सम पीपल मे नॉट नो. सो क्या ये यानी कब से चालू है, लेकिन मैं बोलना पसंद करूँगा, टीटी बोलना पसंद करूँगा. सो आई विल से टीटी. सो उस पे से हम लोग को एक ख्याल आया. उसके पहले आई विल गिव यू सम बैकग्राउंड. तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर्स आका टीटी is not a kind of new name. It's an old name. It's a 25 years old name, though we don't publicize, we don't advertise in general media. Like we are not hungry for money, we are not hungry for participant. We are just there to introduce people to this beautiful activity. Yeah, to this beautiful activity called mountaineering, to convert them from bed climbers to mountain climbers, to convert them from your TV soaps opera on Sundays to mountain lovers. So we have done these changes. Yeah, we are done this change. So we are changed their attitude. So change has come right from there, right from the day you have joined TT. First trek you must have done, first adventure you must have done with TT, because many people said मैं आ गया ट्रैक, इसने ये टकलू को का लेके गया मेरे को किधर, तो भी मैं आ गया इस पे ट्रैक पे चालू किया. मेरा ट्रैक पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगा, कितना टाइम एक माउंटेन चढ़ने को लगा. ये 15 मिनट बोलता रहा. And we reached this thing, but people have not noticed. People have said it also, but many people have not noticed there is a change in their life. So change is right from the beginning. From that point onwards, when you join TT, when you join mountaineering, don't I won't say TT. When you join mountaineering, change has happened in your life. So this change has happened for positive, because positivities have come to your life. So we are talking about this change as well. And about Taimulang Trekkers again, I'm going back to Taimulang Trekkers. Just give a slight background. We are a old club. We said we are not a known club, but we still have 800 plus members on our Facebook page. Though we don't advertise, oh, we are 800 plus members. No, sorry. I am there to cater few people who we not I am. When I'm saying I am Taimulan Trekkers, I am kind of representative Taimulan Trekkers today. So Taimulan Trekker is for that. So we are on at any given point in one season there are 80 to 100 people. 80 to 100 people are always there in a season, not on a one trek, because we don't want to take janta on mountains and too much of crowding. We must have seen a lot of videos of people like it's a Jai Mata Di types on Kalsubai or Harrier, and many unfortunate incidents happen, and then mountaineer is blamed for. But we are not that kind of trekkers. So we believe in a kind of growing up trekking culture in yourself. So we believe in that. So we don't believe in mass crowd. We believe in niche crowd, not niche crowd. Sorry, that's not a word. We believe in mass crowd, but those who love trekking, those who love nature, those who love mountains, we believe in them. And every time we are lucky that we get such kind of participant, and they keep on continuing. So we have loyal participant base, and they will vouch for us for our safety precautions in every way, like safety in terms of participant, safety in terms of female participants. So everywhere we take precautions, and it's continued right from 1995 till date. Our new team, planning team, these people, Sheetal, Kanchap, then your Vishal, Dhanna, Praveen, Amit, everyone takes precaution because they don't want to get away from their path, and they take precaution of everyone. Not a single participant has, there are participant who has complained like कितना टाइम करते हो रे, कितना बस को टाइम लगाता है, कितने स्लो आते हो, सब कुछ होता है वो. लेकिन दो स्लो और this is for participants nature connection. So that also they should taken into consideration, but they take into consideration after the trek is done. So slowly we said that okay, fine, this is a lean period. This year is a lean period, and we will change. We'll change what? We can't do treks. So what will change to? So we'll change into something else. We felt after 25 years, maybe there I Duristai. I said that earlier also. So we changed. We decided to change the name. Now suddenly, why name? TT is fine. Taimulan Trekkers is fine. We are used to of this name. So why you're changing? But let me tell you, last 4 or 5 years, I have been like hearing, अरे Taimulang Trekkers क्यों नाम रखा है? Which is Taimulang, you know his history. He was a ruthless, he was a crude, he had done a lot of things. Everything was right, but I was giving giving everyone the logic behind it. And the logic now we are feeling, we founder members, we started feeling the logic is fine. Everything is right in its place. But the thing is that somewhere we have to change. Somewhere we have to go through some new ordeal. एंड बोलते हैं, मैंने किसको एक को दिया था, एग्जाम्पल दिया था, बेटी जब भी 25 साल की होती है, उसको विदाई तो नहीं हम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसका नाम तभी चेंज होता है. कभी कभी नाम चेंज होता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता है, बट दैट चेंज इज हैपन बिकॉज आइदर बेटी होती है या बेटा होता है, दे गेट मैरिड एंड दे लाइफ चेंजेस. सो 25 साल इज द राइट एज, राइट लीगल एज आई बिलीव. सो तो हम लोगों ने भी सोचा 25 साल के बाद हम लोग चेंज करेंगे. Taimulang Trekkers. We are planning to change from our roots itself. We are planning to What's the question? Okay, we are planning to change our. We are planning to take up this complete tree, and we are going to replant it. Replant it at certain place again, certain place which is full of mountains, which is full of nature. So we are planning to plant it again. So we and the other thing was that trekking, Taimulan trekkers. Trekkers kind of confines us to certain boundaries. Trekking only. And last few years, you must have seen we are into many things. Like we are into cycling. Our few members have done recently. We have done Goa Mumbai cycling. Then few members are Sheetal is into wildlife. Then I have gone to many things. I have done many things in life. So we are changing. So trekking is confining ourselves to certain boundaries. So we decided to get away from trekking. That also we are changing. But we are not going to join any tours and travel company. We are not going to arrange any tours and travels. But we are doing something new. Something new in the sense that but in a different way. So in a different way, and we decided to change our approach also. And we were planning. We had done few treks, corporate events, and everything, but not this year. We can't do anything. But from next year onwards, we are planning to get into corporate treks, team building events, or many a thing, scuba diving trips, or paragliding flights, or wildlife safaris. We are already into. There are many backpacking trips, cycling trips, Ladakh trips. Now I can proudly say that we have got connections. We have got connections everywhere in India, as well as some places abroad also. So because I have traveled a little bit of abroad also, some not many countries but few countries. So we are planning to get into that. And Taimurlang, a name itself was a slightly baggage for us, to tell you frankly. Some people have already told me, अरे ये तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर लेके कैसे जाएगा, अरे कॉर्पोरेट के पास मेरे ऑफिस में कैसे जाएगा. बट आई स्लाइटली इग्नोर्ड देम. बट नाउ आई डिसाइडेड, आई ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड, अभी चेंज करते हैं यार. मेरे बाल तो नहीं आने वाले, लेकिन ये तो चेंज कर सकते. सो हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया, हम लोग चेंज करते. और क्या चेंज करते, हम लोग इसका नाम ही चेंज करते. सो टीटी is a kind of common name. Everyone is talk. अरे तो किसके ट्रेक के लिए गया था, टीटी के साथ. दे डोंट से तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर्स, दे टीटी के साथ. पब्लिक को आदत पड़ गया. और हम लोग ने क्या किया है, हम लोग ने देन व्हेन द दिस थिंग द व्हील वाज टर्न completely, and Shefa suggested, actually Shefa, she's a kind of start, or she has triggered this change. So she said one fine day, अरे राजेश करते क्या चेंज थोड़ा. तभी हम लोगों ने रख लिया था नाम, लेकिन करते क्या हम लोग चेंज. तो मैंने बोला व्हाई नॉट, इफ यू आस्क मी, बिकॉज एवरीवन्स इमोशंस, ओल्डर मेंबर इमोशंस आर कनेक्टेड टू तैमूरलंग नेम. बट द थिंग इज वी विल चेंज, हम लोग कर लेते हैं चेंज. 25 साल होके हो गए, अभी 25 साल में चेंज करते, नया एफिडेविट बना देते और चेंज करते. सो वी आस्क्ड मेनी पीपल, एक्चुअली रेगुलर मेंबर्स एंड regular members and our planning and execution team कि क्या नाम होना चाहिए. सो उसके लिए हम लोग ने एक ब्रीफ तैयार किया था. सी on that parameters you have to suggest names, and don't feel bad that I have not asked each and everyone, because I have told in my earlier session also it would have been a long process. हम लोग कोरोना जाने के बाद, कोरोना अपग्रेड आता था तो भी हम लोग वही नेम ही देखते रहते थे. तभी तक हम लोग का नाम डिसाइड नहीं होता था. सो हम लोग का कम्प्लीटली हम लोग का वो होते ही रहता था, आगे जाते ही रहता था. तो हम लोग ने सोचा एक ग्रुप के पास, एक कंट्रोल्ड ग्रुप के पास हम लोग पूछते हैं व्हाट कैन बी द नेम एंड सजेस्ट करो. सो पैरामीटर्स वेयर हम लोग अभी ट्रेकिंग में ही नहीं है. हम लोग आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर इन माई अर्लियर दिस थिंग डिस्कशन, we are into cycling, we are into marathons. Raja is a barefoot marathoner, so we are into cycling as well. We are into water, paragliding, scuba diving, mountaineering, everywhere we are. So the name shouldn't confine us to trekking itself. So थोड़ा ट्रेकिंग से दूर रहते, एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स में जाते. और दूसरा क्या करना है हम लोग को, सॉरी. सो दूसरा हम लोग ने सोचा कि तैमूरलंग से अच्छा कुछ हम लोग ऐसे कर लेते कि नेचर के साथ में but everyone has, like many people in recent time, they have taken names from mountains, like mountain hikers, Giri Premi, or they are the big names. I won't, shouldn't say anything about that, but they have taken names like attached to mountains. Again, they got confined to mountains. They can't go, they can go, but they can't go beyond mountains. But they wanted, they, I don't think so they wanted to go beyond mountains. So everyone has taken those names, or Maula, or Shivadurga, or some names which I can tell you, which I can just, it's top of my mind. So those names people have taken. बट फिर भी वो हम लोग एक ही जगह पे आके रुकते हैं, वो घूम फिर के वहाँ पे घूम फिर के एक ही जगह पे, जैसे हम लोग ट्रैक में भूल जाते तो वहाँ पे आते थे. सो हम लोगों ने सोचा कुछ और भी किया जाए. बियॉन्ड दैट वी शुड हैव अ नेम टू. So what is that name we decided? First, I'll tell you what was the process I told you when I put forward this proposal to many people, and they said, okay, fine, we'll suggest few names. And believe me or not, there were about 60 plus names on the table. मैंने बोला ये अगर ऑफिस में जाके पूर्वी एंड वेदर आई डोंट नो वेदर झा इज देयर और एडवर्टाइजिंग पीपल आर देयर, ये अगर ऑफिस में बोलते अरे नहीं मेरे कंपनी का नाम चेंज करना है, क्लाइंट ने बोलता, सो हम लोग गिन चुन के 4 नेम देते थे और चुपचाप बैठे, नहीं इतना ही मिलेगा आप लोगों, हम लोग उसके ज़्यादा ऊपर काम नहीं कर सकते. पर यहाँ पे यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास 60 प्लस नेम्स आए. वैरायटी थी उसमें. फिर से लोग माउंटेनियरिंग पे गए, फिर से लोग एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स पे गए, बहुत जगह गए, बहुत जगह घूम के आ गए. सो वी डिसाइड टू vote for those names, because last time what we had done, when we formed that group, when we founded this group, 3 of us decided Taimurlang naam ho gaya. We didn't even think of kind of searching new name, because तभी गूगल नहीं था, कि गूगल माता नहीं थी, तो गूगल हम लोग ने अपने, ठीक है तैमूरलंग इंसिडेंट हुआ उसके ऊपर हम लोग ने तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर्स नाम ले लिया. सो तभी का तैमूरलंग ट्रेकर्स अभी तक वैसे ही है. सो हम लोग ने बोला कुछ ये बार हम लोग का पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करते हैं. We 3 of us will just suggest names and will be a part in a voting process like other members. We are not going to have any veto. We are not going to say anything like हम लोग को यही name चाहिए, because this is not a one man army now, one man club. This has broadened, like many people, they are fringe, like there are people who are outsider, who are like just outside of this group. So there are people who are experienced people. They have done about more than 15-20 treks, not only with us, but there are many people. So we decided to take everyone's opinion, not everyone's, like we couldn't ask everyone, sorry for that. Again, apologies. So, but we asked many people. So finally, out of 65 people, 65 people, we shortlisted 5 names. And 5 to 6 names depending on the voting, and we came to 5 to 6 shortlisted names. Out of that we selected one name. Okay, just hold on to your breath. The one name is Tera Tribe. Tera Tribe, again I'm repeating, Tera Tribe is a name. What is this Tera Tribe? ये क्या टेरा ट्राइब वगैरह क्या है? सो टेरा ट्राइब हम लोगों ने, यानी जो इसने सजेस्ट किया था उसको ही बोला, तू ही बोल क्या है टेरा ट्राइब क्या. हम लोगों ने यूनिक तो बोला था करने के लिए, लेकिन ये क्या है, यूनिक क्या है उसमें. सो टेरा ट्राइब इज अ ट्राइब विच हैज़ कम फ्रॉम मदर अर्थ. एंड वाई मदर अर्थ? Why Mother Earth? Because we are into those adventures which are connected to Mother Earth, nature. Like we are into many first nature. First I'll tell you about 5 elements of nature, which is fire, earth, mountain, not mountains, fire, earth, water, wind, space, and one more element I forgot. So we are almost into every adventure sports which is which is existing on this, except skydiving. We might get few people like our own people who might go for skydiving as well, and people have done skydiving. Kancha has done one tandem skydiving, and so skydiving Kanchan has done. So we are there everywhere, and every adventure sports we have a foot into. So we decided Tera Tribe, fantastic. It's a contemporary name. It's a unique name. and it's completely different than other people's name who are, I won't say it again, but who are there, and people say अरे हाँ वो है कोई तो भी है वैसे. So Tera tribe. And by doing that, Raja gave me one more analogy that अरे मेरे को टीटी नहीं चेंज करने का था, because I am associated with टीटी for long. लाइक मेरी शादी के पहले से एसोसिएशन है मेरा, टीटी नहीं चेंज करना था. तो मैंने वो वैसे कन्वर्ट, उसको थोड़ा सा ट्विक मार के मैंने टीटी का टेरा ट्राइब किया, which is much better in pronunciation, which is much better approachable. And I have a story for you guys to tell newcomers if you are getting someone अरे टेरा, मैं तो टेरा ट्राइब के साथ ट्रेक कर रहा हूँ. सो वी वोंट से टीटी ओनली, विल से टेरा ट्राइब नाउ. सो वेलकम टू टेरा ट्राइब गाइज. एंड अगेन मैंने बोला राजा को, अभी तूने ही तो ये किया है, लोगो नाम सजेस्ट किया है, तेरा ही नाम है, so you have to work on the logo design. As usual, he has done fantastic earlier design of logo, foot mark, and jotted down one line, one step at a time. So we decided to continue that line. Why we decided? Again, there is an analogy to it. One step is like everywhere we have a step. Every adventure sports we have a step. So once there, though that foot mark is there, and foot mark has mountaining, but it's slightly smaller, and one step at a time, it gives you a representation of patience, which is most required thing in every adventure sports. आपका हर एक कदम होता है, आप तुमचे पाऊल असते, so everywhere your step has to be carefully put. You can't put that step in a hurry. You can't rush up, you can't jump. So that one step at a time, we are going to retain that. And I love that logo and the line, so I'm not going to leave that logo and the line. So we decided to register this logo as well. So I'll just show you logo, though in the night everywhere it will be posted. Still you attend this stage session, so I'll just show this logo. Wait a sec. So I couldn't connect my laptop here, so wait a sec. So this is our logo. This foot mark is always there with Taimulan Trekkers. This Tera tribe font is created, and if you see it, if you zoom it further, there are natural elements in that font, and especially created by Raja. It's not a regular font like एक कोई कैलिब्री या कोई तो भी और फॉन्ट्स ले लिया और उड़ा दिया उसको. Yeah, one step ahead नहीं. So it's this logo, and you can see movements around it. So we are always moving. We are not a stale club. Again, अभी तो stale रहना पड़ेगा because there is nothing happening right now. Nobody is going to mountains. So so this is a specially created logo, and this time we are planning to register. We are planning to be a registered club everywhere, and we are planning to become a registered club everywhere. So that's why we decided, when we are registering, we are spending money, so we decided to change that. So we are done this Tera tribe, and people are asking me, one step at a time kahan gaya? One step at a time, and the big logo will be there on t-shirts. So I was waiting for that, बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा वेट कर रहा था कि ये सब नाम का सब ख़त्म हो जाए, एंड देन थोड़ा सा प्रिंटर्स वगैरह चालू हो सकेंगे, देन वी कैन मीट अप, देन आई कैन, इफ द टी शर्ट्स इज डिसाइडेड, then we can kind of give a deliveries to t-shirt. So t-shirt project will be on one of planning team. We have to take care of that. I am kind of delegating nowadays. I don't want to work, so I've taken a retirement from my office also. So yeah, I have to delegate this job also. So, but I'll give you contacts and everything. So t-shirt will be decided. T-shirt will be printed this time, and whatever the number, because last time the number, because of lesser number and naam also, people were not ready to get that t-shirt. So this time we'll be printing with Tera tribe t-shirts, with Tera tribe named t-shirts. So I hope that t-shirt project will be again on. I'm just waiting for printers to get to open their shops, and okay, let's start completely new this thing, new code, new price, वगैरह everything. So this way, Terra tribe is coming alive in our life. So now, what's our plan? I told you about explanation. I told you about registration. So what's our plan? People, because people ask me on, people DM me and people said, अरे ट्रेक कभी चालू है, सब कुछ भूल जा, तू क्या कर रहा है, चेंज कर रहा है, हम लोग को मालूम नहीं, हम लोग को मालूम है तू आएगा साथ में, कभी ट्रेक चालू कर रहा है, इतना खाली बोल दे. इतना अभी इसका तो जवाब मेरे पास भी नहीं, इतना इसका तो जवाब सर जी के पास भी नहीं, पीएम जी के पास भी नहीं. सो ओके, यू नो प्रिंटर्स बट दे आर नॉट ओपन. सो सर जी के पास भी इतना जवाब नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी पता नहीं कभी ओपन होगा. एंड हैविंग, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आई हैड शेयर्ड इन माय अर्लियर सेशन, आई हैड मेंशन they are guidelines put forward by some senior mountaineers, and which government might finalize it. As it is, government has given orders, the district magistrates have given orders of not letting people go to to picnic spots like your waterfalls or seashores. They have given orders to stop everyone, to stop the tourists to go on these spots. So but our main not luckily, our majority of the treks are not associated with these picnic spots. The picnickers don't invade in our territory, and we don't go to their territory. So we are completely different sector sects altogether. So sex, not sex, sects, SCTS. So sects. So we are different sect. So the only thing is that we have to take care of villagers. We don't want anyone getting that disease, though we are not positive, we are not corona positive, but still we don't want anyone to get affected by that. We are not going to approach any trek from village now onwards. And the thing is that my plan for trekking, actually our plan for trekking is for this season is okay, disappointment for you guys, not to travel in a bus. The problem is that way government has given dictate that in a 50-seater bus only 25 people can join, people can travel. Now if 25 people are allowed, only 25 people, then the cost will go up. The cost will go up, and what will happen then? We can't bear the cost. As it is, we don't earn much profit, we don't earn we earn little bit of profit to get club running, and then I have to pass on that cost to participant, and I don't like that at all. In my entire trekking career, I am not charged like, you know, the kind of good of huge amount to trekkers. So I'm not going, so there won't be any bus. Disappointed again. But having said that, done, if you have a car, personal car, I'm going to put forward a trekking calendar. I'm going to check before 15 days before posting the trek. 15 days before that, I'm going to call up local people, guides, and everything. The base village. Do you have any problem about we coming in? If they say no, we are not going to allow, then we have to cancel that particular place, and we have to look for another place. But while looking for place, our planning team already has put on some list, has jotted down some list, which will be shared with like everyone. And these treks are not done in last 6 to 7 years category. So new crowd, which is like joined about 8 to 9 years back, even they have not done that trek. So we have selected only those treks. So it will be completely new, fresh season for us. So we are doing these treks only with a intention of Reiki, as Reiki for Facebook crowd, and as well as going for new places. And we have selected these treks where in we are not the approach is not through village. So we are totally avoiding this village. So, like for example, Nanighat's village, base village is quite far off. So we are going to take that kind of, not Nanighat exactly, but we are going to take that kind of those treks. So So that trick will be that list will be published in near future. Because and the other thing is that we are not going to start tricks immediately. I'm going to wait for a month more. Like we will go in July end. Monsoon hasn't started, and if everyone remember that our first trek is always Popat trek. There is no monsoon, so we can avoid that as well. But अगर ऊपर वाले ने बोला तो वो ट्रैक पे भी बारिश नहीं गिरेगा. But at least we have avoided that. Okay, we have avoided that situation. So we are going to start by July end. I can say not confidently, but I can say tentatively by July end, and we will do treks. Of course, we'll do treks. Those who have a personal vehicle, as mentioned before, those who have personal vehicle, you can join us. There will be 4 people, not more than that, and they can share a petrol cost. Over and above, we'll share the cost of whatever the guide and food and everything. We'll share the cost. But while taking that precaution, I must say that we are not going to stop at any place on the way. On any dhaba or any petrol pump we'll stop, but we are not going to go and enter any new place, any unknown place which might be some viruses found over there. So we are safeguarding as usual. We are safeguarding our participants as well. So हम लोग उसको भी सेव कर रहे हैं. Always safety first, precautions. That precaution has to be taken. So those treks will be done. Beyond that, what we are planning? We are planning to go for short distance cycling as well. Short distance in a sense 50 to 60 kilometer one day, so that morning evening we can do near not a waterfall exactly, a good place. We know many places, so we can go do that activity as well. Apart from that, this year's my plan is to teach people, to arrange, not teach exactly, to arrange workshops for people who are interested beyond trekking. They are interested in safety. So our workshops will be more on knots, rope management, then what's the use of and how to take care of the situation in case of accidents. Not just bus accident which happened, unfortunately it happened last year, but on a trek. So we are planning to have some kind of sessions. So हम लोग का वो भी होने वाला है. Plus, hopefully I'm optimistic. So November December में season चालू होने वाला. I'll be back to Andaman again, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed. So I'm going to arrange scuba diving trips. Plus, I'm going to arrange if someone wants to go backpacking in northeast. If someone wants to go for cycling or biking in northeast, that also I can arrange now. I can confidently say that I have setups in these two beautiful and you can say majestic locations. So that also I can arrange, or I can give a guidance to. Then we have a Raja to guide people for marathons or cycling. So we have different experts in different fields. We have Sheetal in wildlife and photography. We have Hitu, who is just, you must have attended his session on Ajoba for photo shoot. So he's also there, and there are many places, many people. Samir is also there. Then Sandeep is there. Sorry if I'm not taken anyone's name, but there are many people who can guide you, assist you. Like other day, someone was asking me, "अरे scuba diving का course asking on Temurlan Trekkers handle. अरे scuba diving का scuba diving का ये course करना है, कैसे करूँ?" So I guided him. So it's not about money oriented कि हम लोग को पैसा दो, we'll teach you or something. No, sorry, we'll arrange you. I'll give you contact. We'll arrange you with one of the best sources. And in this year, we are going to build up our sources more in northeast, scuba diving, paragliding, backpacking. सबके इसमें हम लोग कुछ sources भी add कर रहे हैं. So we'll have enough dearth of material with us, enough dearth of contact with us. So it's a one-stop shop, I can say. So it's a departmental store for adventure sports, but without not any, I cannot say any, but with a minuscule of profit. And believe me, people have approached us, and if you don't want to go through us, you can I will give you guidance. इट्स नॉट लाइक काइंड ऑफ मैं एक मदद नहीं करूँगा तुम्हें, ये तो नहीं मैं करूँगा. I'll give you enough guidance. So that guidance will be provided to you. So that we are starting anew. And so this year I told you our plan is next year. What are we are planning? 2020 or 21 onwards, when I'll be back. If I'm in Andaman, I'll be back by May. Then we are going to start our treks in full-fledged way. So in a full-fledged way, when I say that, there will be treks, two treks every month as usual, and we are going planning to approach corporates for team building events, for cycling events, for many other activities related to mountains. So we are planning to approach corporates with this new entity till the time we would have developed or we would have built our base right from zero. Why I'm saying zero? Taimulan Trekkers is always there. We have 25 years of legacy. So, but with Terra Tribe, we are building our base from zero. Though it's supported by Taimulan Trekker, or somewhere we'll mention the erstwhile Taimulan Trekker. So we are going to approach corporates, and if we have a content, not this year because nobody is going to spend this year on the team building activity. पैसा ही नहीं कॉर्पोरेट्स में कहाँ पे वो लोग पैसा खर्चा करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दोज एक्टिविटीज एज वेल. इफ यू हैव इफ समवन वांट्स एनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स और समथिंग एंड इफ यू बिलीव अस that we can provide that kind of service, you can approach us and we can arrange that. From May or June onwards, I am going to start that when I'm back. And again, for 6 months, I'll be again in Mumbai and in India. So we can start that as well. So this is a plan for next year. So now it's time to take. And one more thing. Tonight, everywhere, Taimurlang Trekkers will be changed to Terra Tribes. So welcome Terra Tribals. I must welcome everyone because you have attended this session or earlier session because you are either you are a member or you are a well-wisher of TT. So welcome Terra Tribals. So any questions now you can ask because I wasn't paying attention to questions. Okay, you have to work off profit model to survive, to be fair to yourself and team too. Okay, I don't know who this is. Either is a new one because see, we don't sustain on profits from our club. We sustain. We have other jobs. This is not our profession, but this is our passion. When passion comes into picture, we don't look after money. So if you can check with everyone who has done treks with us, our cost is always much lesser than the market norms, and that's the way I look at my treks. See, right now also people have started trekking, but their costs are very high. The reason being they have to adjust people. The cost of the bus is an important thing, and that has to go from somewhere. That can't go from my pocket. That has to go from participants' pocket. So the cost will be high, and they have taken a risk. So our intention is not to earn profit. So you'll be glad, you'll be like a kind of surprised the way we work. So with the way you see our profit. So we don't do that. And this year, of course, we are starting few other things which I'll be telling you when we start our treks to take ultimate safety precautions. What we are planning to do. I told you about knots. Though we carry on every trek we carry knots and the equipments, but we don't show it to people. But we are going to have sessions on that basis. If someone wants to attend, we are going to have a full day session in not post monsoon exactly, but when the monsoons are like during the Ganpati time or something, a full day session organized by professionals who are climbers, who are safe practitioners of mountaineering. So it's a paid session, but not a big amount to be kept on that one because we have our own equipments. So we are not going to charge on that. But let's see. That's when we plan, and it will be in nature. It will be in nature. Yes, everyone is interested. Yes, Amaya, and that's the start of that's a building of basic safety precautions on a trek. So any questions? Thanks Sanjay. Now you can say Terra Tribe. You don't have to say only TT. So any questions which I must have mixed, must have missed somewhere? Yes, Gaurish. Yes, for my meditation. Okay, bye. Purbi. Purbi is gone. Hi, Rashmi. Yes, we are going to have that session also, Ameya, because the place we are conducting this session will give you a basic idea, basic knowledge about climbing and bouldering, how you climb, not in a filmy way. घुमा दिया रोप डाल दिया ऊपर एंकर है डाल दिया और चढ़ गया, not that way, not in a old filmy style, but in a that movie, which movie is that, Laksha, the that way, Ritik Roshan, because they have done at least some, given some justice to climbing, rock climbing as such, when Ritik Roshan climbs. So that also we are going to plan, so that you can get a fair idea how mountaineering is done. How do you spell that? Okay, she has already said Terra tribe. Yes. So that's the way we are going to say that. So I'm going to do a few more things in that. I'll announce it on Insta. Again, I'll satav you guys for something, and I'll give you some thought for this one. So there'll be new initiatives also, because we are going to lie low in this season. So there'll be new things as well. And yes, we are going to start our Insta live sessions again with Terra tribe name. And if people, if those people who are there, if you have some amusing stories about travel, about adventure sports, amusing stories. And if you want to come live on Insta with me, or with someone from TT, from Terra Tribe, you should come. And just DM me what's your adventure, what's your backpacking story, not those touristy kind of thing, but we wanted people to get attached to those stories. हाँ, मैंने भी ये करना चाहिए था. It should be inspiring people, because our one campaign said inspiring inspired. So that thing also we are restarting. हितू के इसमें से भी हम लोगों ने एक ही पोर्शन ख़त्म किया. हितू इज ऑल्सो कमिंग अगेन ऑन लाइव. I might come on my adventure journey, so on live. Sheetal has to come. There are other people. Samir also has to come, because he has also done few adventures. So people are going to come, and this is a senior score group. But if there's someone who wants to come alive, they are most welcome. Okay, people are joining now. Just to inform them, TT has changed. Though TT name hasn't changed, Taimulang Trekkers have changed from Taimulang Trekkers to Terra Tribe. That's a big change we have bought after 25 years. So guys, any questions? Ask me. Or you can DM me also later on. But you can ask me now, because still there is a time. Sheetal, kitna time baki hai? Yes, I must say sorry if I've forgotten or something. Raja's name? No, I have taken. So Raja, as usual, he has come with a fantastic logo. And if you want to see logo, just a sec. Those who have joined new, my laptop switch off. Just a sec. Oh, so this is the logo I am talking about. So guys, have a look once more at the logo. The footmark is always there, as I explained. Footmark represents our foot is there everywhere in every adventure sports except skydiving. Terra Tribe is a new name, and if you see closely, if you zoom in, can you zoom in? Yes. There are some elements. This is a font which is specially created by Raja for this logo, and there are some earthen elements in that. So some tribal elements, earthen elements in that, and you can see The movement outside the logo, that movement is for adventure. It's not a tourist company, so that movement is for adventure. And you can see the footmark is there, and the one step at a time will be there. One step at a time will be there on t-shirts, so that we are going to get it back. And yes, that's the logo we are planning. And yeah, just a second. So okay. Yes, if Amit is ready, he can share his story, but he's not ready. On the main side, do mention all the activities and the calendar if possible. Gaurish, the problem is that I can't post calendar because which I can't stick to it. अगर किसी ने ये किया, अगर हम लोग व्हाट वी आर प्लानिंग टू डू, वो जो ये है ट्रेक का लिस्ट है, दैट वी कैन मेंशन टेंटेटिव ट्रेक लिस्ट, यस वी कैन. शीतल, विशाल, प्लीज डू नोट. And we have to sit, we have to have a discussion on trek list, which I told you. We have to have completely new treks this year. Not a single trek will be repeated this year, which we had done in, though we our practice is always 2 या 3 साल के बाद हम लोग 2 साल के बाद हम लोग ट्रेक रिपीट करते हैं अगर हो करना होगा तो. So but this year I am taking a benchmark of 4 to 5 years, 5 to 6 years. And post monsoon, when the monsoon is slightly over in August end, by August end or September, and hopefully I'm a pessimist, I'm an optimist, sorry, not pessimist, I'm an optimist. And we are going to have range trek. People who are interested in range treks, be ready. Be ready to carry 10 kgs of weight load on your back and be ready to join our team. But I won't announce it right now. I have lot of range treks in my mind. So we are going to have range treks as well in post monsoon, when hopefully everything will be normal, not only a new normal. New normal is not a, ये बोलते हैं न्यू नॉर्मल इज लाइक काइंड ऑफ, हाँ हम लोग समझौता करके जी रहे हैं. But hopefully we will be back to normal. So we are going to mention Gauri Shays. We are going to mention all trick calendar and yes. Any questions? Any more questions, guys? We still have 5 minutes. I think 5 to, no, it's not blinking. Yeah, range trek. Amaya, you haven't done any range trek before, so okay, fine. And those who haven't done any range trek before, for them as well, it's an exciting thing when I always say कि अगर आपको शादी करनी है, गर्लफ्रेंड है आपकी कोई, या फिर यानी ये हो गया, एंगेजमेंट हो गया, एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू जज दैट your spouse, your future spouse, get them on treks, overnight trek, then you can check out you can observe their behavior, possessive or freedom or anything. So get them on range trek. So we can do range treks, and there will be range trek from September onwards, as I said. Till the time at least I am there, then it's up to my new team in the sense, not new exactly, but for them to continue about range trek, though I'll be guiding them from wherever I am, from oceans or from Andaman or from somewhere else. So I'll be guiding them. So okay, और कुछ है questions? Anyone wants to ask the question? Okay, ये लड़की ना मालवन टाइम पे ज्वाइन हो गई है, but she knows everything, so I don't have to start again. Okay, Detective GK. Do people trek in core jungles of Karnataka? Haven't come across any. See, core jungles, which area you want to, can you please mention some core areas? If you're asking for Dandeli and all, yes, people do trek, but you need to take a guide over there. Dandeli is one point which I know. I've done a riding over there, but Dandeli is no longer forest, which I don't like. So Dandeli is the one. Otherwise, कहाँ पे कर्नाटका में ये है forest है? Can you please say? Are we going to have adventure treks more now? like more difficult tricks. See, the thing is that now we have gone from first stage to second stage, so I have to look for my newcomers as well. So I have to look after them as well. Oh, Madekeri. Madekeri, yes, there are trekking routes available. Let me check whether I can. Yeah, I have some contacts over there. Let me check. But not now, not right now. But after once it's over, so you can take a trek, but it's not like Sayadri. Though Sayadri range is kind of reached there. It's not stopped only at Maharashtra. So let me check. Dandeli, yes, you can do river rafting also. People, Dandeli is known for that. So you can do. Earlier in Karnataka, there was near Bangalore there was a paragliding as well. So that also you can do it in Karnataka if you are specially interested. Okay, Sheetal is there. So we have a contact for Madakari tricks as well. So you don't have to wait for that long. So please DM me or Sheetal. Then we'll answer your this thing. We'll guide you on that. And if possible, we'll find out. Sheetal, please find out some routes on Madakeri and give him a full this thing information. Joke Falls, yes. Joke Fall, is that a trek? Is that's a picnic point, na? Or you go on a bike? So Joke Fall more is into that. Yeah, there is a trek as well, but people Karwar, yeah. But the thing is that they don't allow the forest officers. They don't allow to go in explore the this thing very often. But if Mihir Kumara Parvata, okay. Okay, Mir, in Karwar, if you can find any local contacts, then we can have those contacts as well. So we can guide people for Karnataka trek as well. In Kerala also, I've got contacts. So Kerala also we can do treks. So there not many mountains are there, but we can do treks. So so now you must have understood those who are those who are new. We can do everything for you guys, and in north, northeast, everywhere. तो कारवार का मछली गाना. Okay. So any questions? Any more questions, guys? And of course, this is not a last day for the questions. We are always there. I'm always here. Then Sheetal and everyone is here. So we are going to guide you. We are going to give enough information, and we won't let you go unsatisfied from our side. So be assured that you will get all the information and help. Wherever we can't arrange anything, but you will get a help definitely. So bye Shifa. So you are going to get that help. So there. And anything. Yes, we are now tribe, not tribe leader, but we are Terra tribals. I am also tribal. संपूर्ण सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. आमच्या घरी आलेला कोणी पाहुणा उपाशी पोटी जात नाही. Yeah, okay. We got international contacts as well. Good, Gaurish, you reminded me. In Philippines, there are trek, and yes, we have a guy who has done treks in Southeast Asia, Philippines, Indonesia, and he will tell you a lot of activities to be done in Philippines. Like kind of proposing a girl on the top of the mountain when she can't run away. So that kind of thing. So, sorry, Mir, but I have to say that. So, but we have a contacts in Philippines, Indonesia. We have done treks. We have, in the sense, when I'm saying we, our team has done treks. So, the contacts are there. I have traveled in Egypt also. If you want to go backpacking in Egypt, if you want to go backpacking somewhere else, we are here. और मीर और प्रिंसी मार डालेगी बाद में मेरे को. So anymore, see, last 13 seconds left, 12 seconds, 11 seconds. So cheers guys to Terra tribe, and cheers to everyone. Thank you guys to for attending this session. Our handles will be